Hi and welcome back. Thank you for being here. We're gonna do a little bit about hair today. I just got my hair cut back to its pixie undercut style, which I absolutely love because for me it is just so simple. So yesterday I got it trimmed. It looks really good. It's, you know, I've got all kinds of things going on here. She recently came out with the Surface products, and I will put more down, more information about that. Literally I just started using it maybe, well, probably about 10 weeks ago. She gave me a bunch of samples so I could kind of figure out what I wanted to use. My hair is very thin and my hair is very light, very lightweight. So it just, you know, it will fly away. But when I get hot, it will just fall. And I have a lot of cowlicks. So that's kind of the reason why I like to keep it short. I used the Surface Blowout line. There is actually 3 different lines that we're using right now between Charlie and I. And so I'm gonna show, this is the first time I've used this. This is the Blowout, and it is the gel mousse. It has seed oil in it, and then it has a couple other ingredients in it. But it's for volume, hold, and memory. So I am going to start out with, like, that's probably way too much. So we're going to just take this, I'm going to rub it in. Sarah kind of told me a little bit about how I should apply it. Of course, I want to put it as close to the roots as possible. And I had her do the back of my hair, the crown part of it, shorter, because I like to spike it up and then keep the bangs longer. And so we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna try to style it the way I want to style it. Put my cone on, and I think I'm gonna start it out on low first, but I'm just gonna lift this up in the back. Okay, so I really just used my hands. Now, it's still a little, it's not 100% like dry, but I am going to use that. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of my putty. This is the one product I have not changed, but we're going to eventually. There's just, I mean, it's still half full and that's a waste. This product is a little bit more expensive than what, you know, store-bought and stuff is, but I figure what you put on your body is the same as what you put in your body. So I'm going to texture the areas that I want to spread, and I will use a little bit. Look at my bruises, it's crazy. Working outside with my husband. So this is just one style that I love to do, right? I like to take it and use a lot texture in it. It's funny how many of you use the actual style that your hairdresser does for you. My hairdresser always does my style, and if I don't watch her, then I'm like, I don't know how she did that, right? Now, the one part I am going to use is now this is from the Theory line, and this is a finishing spray. So this will give you definite hold. It's not really deep hold. And normally if I was going somewhere, I would do this, and I'm just going to stay home. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this. See, I have a little colic here. I have one here. So that, so this is the Surface line, okay? And these have natural ingredients in them. The finishing spray was humidity resistant, right? Which we get a lot of humidity in the Midwest, especially like right now it's raining, but yet it's warmer. So the Surface hair product line. They're paraben free, they're gluten free, which a lot of people don't realize. If you're gluten intolerance, then you have to deal with gluten in a lot of things, not just food, okay? Vegan, and then no animal testing at all. Now, let me see here a minute. This product, so I get my hair done up in Grand Rapids. I drive about an hour, but my girl came down here for 3/4 of my time when she cut my hair, and so I figure, well, why can't I go up to see her? So the one thing I am going to do, because this is going to bother me a little bit, is I'm going to lift my bangs off my forehead a little bit. So when I do my face here in a minute, you'll do. So that's the way it's styled, okay? I love the simplicity of it. I like how it goes up in the back. I just love my hair when it's got oomph to it, because very often my hair is flat and it will go flat very fast. So we'll see how these products work. I've never really had any product that will make it stay where I want it all day long. So we'll see how this goes. But the blowout line is what I used for the setting, the style, and then the theory, only because this particular hairspray, I wanted the humidity free, humidity resistant, so that's why I got the theory line. And then the shampoo and the conditioner is for blonde. That's what I used with today. So we'll keep you up on that. I'm gonna go through this. I see her again in like 9 weeks. So we're just gonna kind of do one maybe every week and kind of see give you my opinion of how I like these products. As far as this gel mousse, I liked the gel mousse. I like how it did what it did. It did hold my hair where I want it pretty much. I just had to give it a little bit of a little help in these little areas. So let's put our face on.